Hi, my name is Sanjit Kumar and this is my submission for Python developer project. And in this project, I have integrated Python with Blender and a Flask server to manage object transform and a simple inventory system. The project consists of Blender plugin, Flask server, this PyQt GUI for user interface and this database for SQLite. So now first we will check the Blender plugin. So here it is, we may see the object which is over here. We will change the object position. So now we will move the object position to x-axis, this axis, and we will rotate it in this direction. Now if we will submit the transform, which is add-on feature, that plugin thing, now we will submit the transform. Okay, this server has not been started until now, so let's establish the server. The server is getting ready. Now we will submit the transform. Click on the transform button, and here you may see the transform data has came. Name is cube, position is this, which I have changed. Scale is same because I have not touched the scale. So the Flask server is working fine. I have clicked thrice, that's why this is coming. Every time submit, 10-second delay, and that is why it is working this. So now Flask server is working, Blender plugin is working fine. Now we will move to the user interface part 4, which is in inventory UI, and I will run this. We got a UI for this database, and some of the item has already been saved in database. So now I will add something in this. I will add Python is over there. I will add Ruby quantity, I will give 3, and we will check the add item is working or not. So it is requesting to the server. We may see over here. This 200. You may see item added successfully after this add button. Now we will check the remove item, this button is working or not. So I want to remove Sanji. So I want to remove it. It will again request to the server. Remove item, and now item has been removed successfully. So this button is also working fine. This add item we have seen. Now we will update the quantity. So we will want to update the Python with quantity. I will add 20, and now we will check this update quantity thing. So it will request to the server for update quantity, and for update successfully update quantity, and it has been successfully updated, this quantity 20. Now I want to buy something, and I will buy in Python only. I will buy one Python thing. So it will first request to the server for buy item, and then it will show us over here, and it is also working fine. Now I want to return one item which I have bought from Python, and I will return it to Python only. So I will click on the return item, and it will request to the server, and we will see over here the item will again become to 20 after item returned successfully. So this UI is also working fine, which has been made on PyQt5. So I will give you an overview of all the project. So I have used database in inventory.db is that file for SQLite. This is Blender, and like this I have given readme, so the instruction for this whole project from A to Z, from beginning to end, and it will run smoothly on any operating system. So this all is my project. I want to thank to Vita Entertainment for giving me such project. Thank you, and I am closing it.